I wanted to test a custom TTK theme from a TCL source file, and I think it worked out. So this is what I've done. I first had to find a TTK or a TCL source file. I found this one. It's called Waldorf TTK theme. The author, the creator of this theme, is available here, and the reference of also a link to reference this theme. So this is the source code. So I just copied the code from here, from this button, and then created a new file. I called the file Waldorf theme.tcl. So the naming will be the same as the file names of the default TCL themes that are on the system installed by Python. I just copied and saved the file, but then to use it, I did two things. The first, I asked Google or Gemini, apparently. So I asked Google for a simple TTK app with a button and an entry widget. So I copied the code and I passed it here. Then I added other widgets to see the difference between using the theme and not using the theme, to be sure that I'm actually using the theme. So I have this, I added a check button, I added also a radio button and the progress bar. I asked for the question I asked also for a combo box, so it also added a combo box. For the theme, I don't know I don't know how to write TCL, so I just made a tiny change here. In the background color, I changed the default one, gray 82, to this one, light salmon 2, and the select background to orange 2. These two colors will work, or I will see them in the theme, but this one, true color, carded blue one, I didn't see it. So to know the namings of the colors, I went here. I also googled to search for the colors in TCL and Python. So I had this list of colors, and I searched for the gray 82. So this is the color that was used, and then I selected different colors from here. So that for testing the theme. First, I'm going to run the app without calling the theme or without using the theme. First, I had to call this method, tk.call source, then the name of the file or the path of my custom theme file. Again, to do this, I googled the question and it suggested this code. So I called source, then the path of my file. I put the file in the current folder, so I didn't have to specify the entire path. And then I used the theme using the name of the theme, not the name of the file. So if you open the file, for example, you can see here the name of the theme. So when I run the code without using the theme, so this is the instruction that will use the theme. These are the default values for the default theme. So we have a combo box. This is the button, check button, the radio button, and the progress bar. And this is the entry widget. Now, if I use the theme, you can see here the difference. So this is the entry box. You can see the selection with the color, custom color we added. Here is also a combo box with the custom color added. The button, submit button. We have also this check button and radio button with the custom color salmon pink. And this is the progress bar. So I think if you search more about TCL and how to customize a theme, you may be able to do more to customize better or create a better theme. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.